Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Right, today is Monday. What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday.
What day will be tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be Tuesday.
What day was the day before yesterday? The day before yesterday was
Monday.
no, Saturday. The day before yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. So the day before Sunday is Saturday. So the day before yesterday was Saturday. What will be the day after tomorrow? The day after tomorrow will be Wednesday. Right? Right? Sunday comes before Monday. Tuesday comes after Monday. So Monday is in between Sunday and Tuesday. Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. You remember in our previous classes, our पूर्व श्रेणी रे we have studied, हमें पढ़ीचे, we have learned सीखीचे. What? There are 10 digits in mathematics. How many digits?
10 digits.
10 digits. Digits means what? Digit means अंक. What are they? 0,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Again. What are they? 0. Just 1 minute. 0. What did I say? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କେତୋଟି ଅଙ୍କ ଅଛି?
10ଟି.
ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ? ଶୂନ. What did I say? Just 1 minute. What did I say? ଶୂନ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So now let's move to next point. In mathematics, there are 1 digit numbers, 2 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers, 4 digit numbers. गणित रे 1 अंक विशिष्ट संख्या अछि, 2 अंक विशिष्ट संख्या अछि, 3 अंक विशिष्ट संख्या अछि, 4 अंक विशिष्ट संख्या अछि, 5 अंक विशिष्ट संख्या अछि एवं अनेक अंक विशिष्ट संख्या अछि. 1 digit number means 1 अंक विशिष्ट संख्या, 2 digit numbers means 2 अंक विशिष्ट संख्या, 3 digit number means 3 अंक विशिष्ट संख्या, 4 digit number means 4 अंक विशिष्ट संख्या एइवरी अनेक. So in 1 digit number, the smallest number is what is the smallest 1 digit number? Tell me.
Smallest one number.
Yeah.
1.
Right. Thank you. In ओरिया एक अंक विशिष्ट क्षुद्रतम संख्या किए?
एक.
एक. what which is the biggest one digit number? एक अंक विशिष्ट बृहत्तम संख्या किए?
एक अंक विशिष्ट बृहत्तम संख्या 9।
Right. Thank you. Now listen to me. एक 2 अंक विशिष्ट क्षुद्रतम संख्या किए?
2 अंक विशिष्ट क्षुद्रतम संख्या 10।
Right. The smallest 2 digit number is 10.
10।
Which is the smallest 2 digit number?
The smallest
2 digit number is
10।
right. 2 अंक विशिष्ट गला. Now let's move to the 3 digit number. Right? 3 अंक विशिष्ट बृहत्तम 3 अंक विशिष्ट क्षुद्रतम संख्या किए?
3 अंक विशिष्ट क्षुद्रतम संख्या 100।
Right. Which is the smallest 3 digit number?
The smallest 3 digit number is 100।
Right. 3 अंक विशिष्ट बृहत्तम संख्या किए?
3 अंक विशिष्ट बृहत्तम संख्या 999।
Right. 3 अंक विशिष्ट बृहत्तम संख्या 999. So which is the greatest 3 digit number?
The greatest 3 digit number is 999।
999. Right. 999. Right. So 4 अंक विशिष्ट क्षुद्रतम संख्या किए?
4 अंक विशिष्ट क्षुद्रतम संख्या 1000।
Right. Which is the smallest 4 digit number?
The smallest 4 digit number is 1000।
Right. 4 अंक विशिष्ट बृहत्तम संख्या किए?
4 अंक विशिष्ट बृहत्तम संख्या 9999।
Right. Which is the greatest 4 digit number?
The greatest 4 digit number is 9999।
Right. 9999. Similarly, there are smallest 5 digit number, greatest 5 digit number, and smallest 6 digit number, greatest 6 digit number. यही बढ़िया गुड़ाए अच्छी. Right. So we came to know the digits, and with the digits आमे जानिले डिजिट अंक जानिले. with the digits यही अंक माध्यम रे we write numbers. आमे संख्या लिखुचे, big or small, whatever it may be, we write with them. So एक अंकिया विशिष्ट संख्या देखिले, 2 अंक देखिले. हाउ मेनी, व्हाट डिड आई से, हाउ मेनी 1 digit numbers are there in mathematics? गणित रे केतोटी एक अंक विशिष्ट संख्या अछि? टेल मी. एक अंक 9. There are 9 1 digit numbers, right? How many 2 digit numbers are there in mathematics? 90. There are 92 digit numbers in mathematics. How many 3 digit numbers are there in mathematics? 900. There are 900 3 digit numbers in mathematics. How many 4 digit numbers are there in mathematics?
9000.
9000. There are 9000 4 digit numbers in mathematics. Similarly, how many, what did I say? How many 5 digit numbers are there in mathematics? And the answer is 90,000. Right? So there are 1 digit number, 2 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers, 4 digit numbers, 5 digit numbers, and many digit numbers. The list is endless. तालिकाटा पूरा असमाप्त. Right? So we shall discuss today. We shall discuss about place value. or local value and face value. Could you understand?
Yes.
What did I say? Place value. Place value. Its Oriya meaning is स्थानीय मान
Mana.
or local value. Local value.
स्थानीय mana.
Same, स्थानीय मान, both are same. Another is that is face value. Face value.
प्रकृत mana.
प्रकृत मान. ये ହେଲା स्थानीय मान. This is स्थानीय मान. This is प्रकृत मान. प्रकृत मान. Okay. Place value, local value, स्थानीय मान, face value, प्रकृत मान. Okay. Today we shall discuss about, what did I say? Today we shall discuss about the place value or local value. This is a one digit number. This is a two digit number. This is a three digit number, right? This is a
40.
four digit number. This is a
5-digit number.
five digit number. One digit number because there is only one digit. Two digit number because there are two digits, 3 and 2. Three digit number, there are three places, right? And three numbers, three digits. Okay, this one, this one, this one. This is a four digit number because there are four digits. This one, this one, this one, this one, and four places. This is a place. 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 And five digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So in one digit number, this is a one digit number. The face value. What is the face value of 9 here? Face value 9 and place value 9. So this is a place. This is also a place. This one, this one. So let's move. Just 1 minute. Wait. Yes. Here is number. What did I say? Here is a number. The number is like this. 3, 5, 7. How many? 357. This is a number that is 357. How many digits? 3 digits. It is a 3 digit number. How many digits are there in this number? There are 3 digits. What are they? 7, 5, 3. How many places?
3 plus.
This is a place. This is a place. This is a place. 7 is sitting in a place. I don't know what place that is. 5 is sitting in a place. We don't know what the place is. And 3 is sitting in a place. We don't know what place it is. But remember, this is a once place. What did I say? Once place. Once place. Once place. Right? Once place. This is tens place. Tens place. And this is hundreds place. Hundreds. right? Ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. That means here the place value of 7 is 7, right? And the face value of 7 is 7. Could you understand? In this case, the place value is 5, but the place value, the face value is 5. The place value is 50. 50. In this case, the face value is 3, but the place value is or local value 300. Could you understand? So each number has its face value and place value. Okay, let's mark another number. Just 1 minute. Okay, here is a number that is yes. How many numbers are there?
5.
1. How many digits? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many places are there? 5. This is a place. 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 In all places, we see the same digit. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So this is in ones place, you know. What did I say? Ones place. Ones place. Right? So its face value is 5 and place value is also 5. एकक स्थान रे एटा कहउचंदी एकक स्थान. एकक स्थान. एकक स्थान रे जे रहले भी तार फेस वैल्यू प्रकृत मान स्थानीय मान सेम. प्लेस वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू प्लेस वैल्यू. नाउ इट इज व्हिच प्लेस? टेल मी. दिस इज टेंथ प्लेस. टेंथ प्लेस, राइट? सो इट्स फेस वैल्यू इज 5. प्लेस वैल्यू इज 50, right? Could you understand? 50, right? Next, this is a place. First place, second place, third. This is a hundreds place. So here is a 5. Its face value is 5, right? And face value is 500. Here is a place 500, right? Just 1 minute. Hundred, right? Here is a place and the name of this place is 100, thousands place. This is a thousands place. Here is a digit that is 5. Its face value is how many? 5. Place value is 5,000. 5,000. Okay. We will, and this is a place. This is a place, and the name of the place is 10,000 place. Right? 10,000 place. So here is a digit. The face value of this digit is 5. Its place value is 50,000. 50,000. Could you understand? So we have different numbers and they have different places. If it is 1 digit number, there is only one place, that is ones place. Its face value is its place value. If in a 2 digit number, there are two places. One is ones place, another is tens place. Right? If a number, there is a 3-digit number, this is a 3-digit number, right? There are 3 places. One is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. If there is a 4-digit number like this, just 1 minute, first I shall clear it. Just 1 minute. This is a This is a 4-digit number. There are 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is ones place. Ones place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place. Hundreds place. And this is thousands place. Thousand. That means we will read like this: 7,634. The number is 7,634. Could you understand? Place value and face value. मत एथर तुम्हें कहब एकक स्थान रे जो संख्या थाए तार प्रकृत मूल्य एवं स्थानीय मूल्य केते एकक स्थान रे द नंबर इन वन्स प्लेस द नंबर इन वन्स प्लेस टेंस प्लेस हंड्रेड्स प्लेस थाउजेंड्स प्लेस its face value is 1, place value is also 1. That means एक स्थान रे जी थाए तार प्रकृत मूल्य जहा स्थानीय मूल्य मध्य ताहा. And in tens place we multiply the digit number into 10. Could you understand? In 100 place we multiply the digit into or the number into 100, 6 into 100. In 1000 place we multiply by 1000, that is 7 into 1000. Could you understand? Okay. Here is a number. Here is a number 5063. How many digit number is it? How many digit number? 4 digit number. Right. How many places are there?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tens place. Sorry. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So, in tens place there is 3. Let's know. It is 3 अच्छे. चलो जानिबा. Its face value is how many? Tell. Its face value is how many? आर प्लेस value केते हबरे?
Place value
3. Right, सेडा कौन? 3. Face value 3. Place value 3. Once place रे जे रहले भी तार face value आउ the same. Here is a digit in tens place. Its face value is 6 and place value is 60. Right. Here is a digit that is 0. Its face value is 0 and place value is 0. एतर बुझिपाल कुड मार्क दी डिफरेंस कुड मार्क दी पॉइंट बुझिपाल पॉइंट ना एक स्थान रे जीरो रहिले भी तार फेस वैल्यू प्लेस वैल्यू दी सेम द face value and place value of the number in one's place is always same. Zero in any place, the place value and the face value of zero in any place is always the same. Zero आगा. Could understand? किए समान रहा एकक स्थान संख्या बा अंक अंकर न्यूमेरिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन वैल्यूटा फेस वैल्यू आउ प्लेस वैल्यू और लोकल वैल्यू इज सेम एंड दी लोकल वैल्यू एंड दी फेस वैल्यू ऑफ जीरो इज ऑलवेज जीरो. Could understand? What did we learn today? What did we learn today?
Place value
And local value and
face value.
face value. So we came to know एकक स्थान यूनिट्स प्लेस दशक स्थान टेन्स प्लेस शतक स्थान हंड्रेड्स प्लेस तापर हजार स्थान थाउजेंड्स प्लेस. ओके